Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin trembles after the Federal Reserve announcement. SEC threatens to sue Coinbase for offering cryptocurrencies. SEC sues Justin Sun, founder of TRON, for market manipulation. Could boost the price of ADA. KUCOIN executive responds to rumors of FTX-STYLE collapse. South Korea advances in crypto regulation.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin trembles after the Federal Reserve announcement. The U.S. Federal Reserve Fed has announced a new 0.25% increase in interest rates, with the aim of controlling inflation in the North American country. This is the ninth round of interest rate increases in the U.S., and it comes amid the strong banking crisis facing the country. The Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) has projected that by 2024, rates would fall to 4.3%, slightly higher than its December estimate of 4.1%. The crypto market has reacted negatively to the Fed's announcement. Bitcoin has fallen, even below $27,000, losing 5%. Although part of that drop has already been recovered, with the price now above $27,000. Ethereum has also experienced a drop, trading around $1,700. Other cryptocurrencies, such as XRP, CARDANO, and Dogecoin, have also recorded significant declines. Some analysts have shared their opinion on the impact of the Fed's announcement on the crypto market. Michael Van Popp, a cryptocurrency analyst, has stated on his Twitter account that he believes we'll be topping out for now and have some consolidation before continuing. The evolution of the market in the coming hours is likely to provide a broader view of the impact of the Fed's announcement on the crypto market. SEC threatens to sue Coinbase for offering cryptocurrencies. Coinbase faces a possible lawsuit from the SEC for offering cryptocurrencies. The SEC firmly notified its plans to take action against the largest U.S. cryptocurrency exchange. Coinbase has received the official notification from the SEC via Wells Notice, which offers time to challenge the regulator's accusations. Coinbase has confirmed that the notification pertains to aspects of its exchange as well as Coinbase Earn and Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has stated that the company is willing to take on the second court if a resolution is not reached. The SEC notification caused a 10% drop in Coin's stock in a single day. SEC sues Justin Sun, founder of TRON, for market manipulation. The SEC has sued crypto millionaire Justin Sun, founder of TRON, for the unregistered offering and sale of TRX and BTT, accusing him of market manipulation and being part of a widespread money laundering scheme. The SEC alleges that Sun artificially inflated the trading volume of TRX and obtained millions of dollars through wash trading. TRON's native token, TRX, has fallen more than 11% following the SEC's accusation. The SEC has also targeted influencers who participated in promoting the tokens, including influencer Jake Paul. Could boost the price of ADA. Cardano has experienced significant gains in recent weeks thanks to renewed investor interest in the crypto market. The launch of the Cardano-backed stablecoin has attracted Cardano whales, which has increased activity on the network. Whale transactions have increased, and this has preceded previous market cycle price increases for ADA. The proportion of coins in the hands of long-term holders has increased, suggesting strong investor conviction in the potential for long-term growth. The depth chart shows that ADA could soon surpass 40 cents and reach 50 cents if it breaks through the 40 cents resistance. Cardano's price may fall again if the 30-cent support is not maintained. KUCOIN executive responds to rumors of FTX-STYLE collapse. Meet Omid Elmas, head of business development of KUCOIN, spoke to denounce rumors that the exchange was insolvent. He cited regular proof of reserve audits as evidence of KUCOIN's financial health and transparency. FUD fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the cryptocurrency industry has been a contributing factor to the rumors of bankruptcy and insolvency. Omid Elmas called these rumors cheap and denied their veracity. KUCOIN has been a target of rumors and FUD in recent months, but their regular audits demonstrate their financial stability and transparency. South Korea advances in crypto regulation. South Korea is advancing in crypto regulation with the digital asset law, focusing on investor protection. and the issuance and disclosure of virtual assets. The crypto market in South Korea exceeded 55 trillion won in the second half of 2022. The country has 15 million cryptocurrency users, and authorities believe that disclosure and investor protection measures are necessary. The country's lawmakers have 18 pending cryptocurrency-related bills. A comprehensive crypto regulation is expected in the country this year, which will include guidelines for security token offerings and monitoring of crypto whales. Illegal exchanges continue to be a problem in South Korea.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking at me.